Hi, this is Ritan. Welcome back with another video. I hope you all doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to add button in your WordPress website for free, like in your whole WordPress website, any page, any place, like columns, like your text and media, anywhere you want to add your button. And I'm also gonna tell you how to link that button. So let's start. Visit your website, log into your dashboard and visit your, for example, you can see uh, whole website over here. So if so I'm gonna add button here, or if I want to add button in my menu, or in these columns, or in the text and media, in this video and media and text. So let's start. I'm gonna tell you how to add this. Click on edit site. Go to the editor video so you can see. Okay, let's start from the cover. So I'm gonna add a button here. I click on the cover and see a plus button over here. So I search here for button. As you can see, the button is appear here. As you can see, our button is create now. So I'm gonna write here like get a quote, and whatever you want to write here you can write. You can also write here contact us and whatever you want to add. Okay, so if you want to add more buttons, you can add by clicking here. If you want to add one more button, so you can add by clicking on plus, or add a here button. For example, I'm gonna add here button is like learn more. So you can see the button is created here. So let's save and have a look. As you can see, the button is now on our cover page. Then click, it's not working. So the second step is to get a link of this button. So as you can see, when I click on button, you can see a link over here. Click on that, and if you want to link that button anywhere, any page that you provide the services and anything like that. So I'm gonna be link this button as a contact us. So as I write here contact, it's searching, so you can see the contact us is here. So I'm gonna be link here some more about my services we provide, learn more. For now I'm not doing anything like that, so I'm not edit any page. So I'm gonna this link also contact us. You can add link whatever you provide. So I'm gonna click on save. Don't forget to click on save, otherwise it's not working or it's not safe. So I'm gonna click on get a code, and as you can see our link is attached now, and it's now come on contact us page. So it's for this, and if I wanna add some button over here, so I click on here, select all. So you can see a plus button over here. So I'm click on, so I want to add button here. You can see a button is appear here. So I'm gonna be get correct. And now I wanna just give a link. So I'm clicking on save, refresh. So you can see a button is appear here. If you want to change the button color, or you want to change the position, for example I want this button in center, so you can select all from here, and from here you can justify in center, or justify in right, and whatever position you want to do. you can see now, you can see it's in center. So uh, if you want to change their text color, for example, you change the text color, so you can change the text color like that, whatever color you want to give them, you can. Okay, so if you want to give them a background, okay, you can see the background color is changed now. Whatever you want to give the background color, you want to give them. And if you want to change there, and there is some more size for, okay, you can give them size, whatever size you want. Okay, and here some padding, and of course some padding, if you want to give them padding, or according to your choice. Okay, and if you want to uh, give them some radius, you can change from here. Okay, so okay, so next, if I want to add a button here, for example, I want to add a button here, so I'm going to click here and click on buttons. So you can see a button show over here. So I'm gonna like here contact us. So click here, give it a link. Okay, click on save. I'm gonna line in center, select all, just to find center. Going, I'm also gonna give the link here. I'm also gonna add a button over here. Let's link it. You can write whatever you want to write, and whatever link you want to add according to your course your. Okay, so let's save, refresh. So as you can see, the button over here, more button has you want to add, you can add anywhere. So I'm gonna tell you how to add button in your menu side. For example, you want to add button here, so just click over here, click on, and you want to add a button, and you want to write here some get quit, and I want to give them a link. Okay, so I'm gonna redo this in and save. So refresh it. As you can see, our button is here, but you can see there is some space create over here. This section is called menu, so click on plus, and goes so click on plus, and type here button. So you can see a button is created here. So some text we want to add here is get you can write here quit now, quit. So I'm gonna delete this one because there's no look good. So I'm gonna remove this and click on save. So as you can see, the button is now here. Okay, so you can link this button wherever you want to link. From here you can link. You can change their color, their sizes, also change the color, the text size, text color, whatever you want to add. Okay, so you can see how it's work now. If you want to add the link in footer, you can also add the link in foot any button in footer. You can also do it by, of course, doing the same procedure. Like for example, you want to add some button over here, click here, click on buttons, and you can see the button is shown here. For example, you write here some contact us, and let's realign in right, and you click on save. So you can see the button shown over here. So this is how to add button in your whole website wherever you want. For example, you want to in home, you want to in about us pages, contact us, privacy policy, anywhere you can add by this simple two methods. Just click on plus, add buttons, link them, and how it works. So I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.